Is your iPhone cellular data not working, leaving you offline when you need it the most? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you simple steps to troubleshoot and fix your iPhone cellular data issues. The first step is to check your cellular data setting. First, ensure your cellular data is enabled. Go to the setting app. Then you go to mobile services or cellular and juggle on the cellular data, which is mobile data. If you are traveling, enable data roaming in the same menu to avoid connectivity issues. Step 2 is to restart cellular connection. Juggle up the cellular data, then you wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Step 3 is to check for service outage. Your network provider may be experiencing issue. Visit your carrier website or contact their support line to check the outage in your area. Step 4 is to restart your iPhone. A quick restart often fixes temporary glitches. Power off your iPhone, then wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Step 5 is to remove and reinsert your SIM card. Step 6 is to reset network setting. Go to setting, then general, then reset and reset network setting. This will erase saved Wi-Fi password, so be prepared to re-enter them. Step 7 is to update your iOS. An outdated operating system can interfere with cellular function. Go to setting, then general, then software update and install any available update. Step 8 is to contact your carrier. If the issue persists, your carrier might need to refresh your connection. Call your carrier to confirm your plan is active and your cellular data is enabled on your account. And that's it guys, your iPhone cellular data should be back to working perfectly. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.